Hey friends, it's Keezy here today, and today we will be restyling two of the brand new Rainbow High Color and Create dolls. And if you're interested to know any of the items that you see me using in today's video, they'll all be linked in the description down below in my Amazon storefront. If you do decide to use any of the links, it does help to support the channel. So I'll go ahead and start by saying I jumped at the opportunity to get these new Color and Create dolls. I think that they are perfect for both collectors and kids. Personally, having a doll that is essentially a blank canvas is like a big win for me, because if you're new to this channel or if you've been here for a while, I love to customize my dolls. And I knew when the stock photos for these dolls came out that customizing would be exactly what I was going to do. As you can see, these dolls both come with white hair and also white clothes that you can color with some markers that are included with the doll. I did a review for these dolls in some YouTube shorts, so definitely make sure to check those out if you want to see those items, because I definitely won't be using them today. I knew that when I saw the dolls that I wanted to do more of a natural tone. Like, I love Rainbow High's like fantasy skin tones and colors, but when I'm customizing, I always like to give them natural hair colors as many times as I can. I did opt to only get two of the three dolls because the one with the pigtails just really wasn't speaking to me all of that much for some reason. I just really didn't like her face sculpt. I feel like it needed some baby hairs, just something kind of to add to the doll. But not only that, the toy season this year, this fall, is like coming in strong. There is so many different releases from like Rainbow High, No Surprise, Bratz. There's just so many releases going on right now. I really have to be a little bit more picky about which dolls that I am going to pick up. But MGA girl, if you're watching, feel free to send me some dolls. I'll be happy to take a load off of my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to show you guys how I dyed each doll's hair, but starting out with the blue variant, so I wanted her to have some blonde money pieces in the front of her hair. So to start out and make it easy, I just dyed her whole head in the camel color. So spoiler alert, this actually turned out pretty green. For some reason, Rit dyes, black and brown dyes always have like a green undertone, so I had to end up going in with Sunshine Orange to remove some of the green tones from the hair. Then after that, to get some of the orange tones out of the hair, I went in with a little bit of the purple Rit dye just to kind of turn the hair a little bit more of an ashy color. After that, I wanted to kind of dye her hair the main color, so I separated out the two pieces that I wanted to be the money pieces, and I mixed a little bit of the dark brown and also the sunshine orange, because again, Rit dyes brown dyes have green undertones and the orange helps cancel that out. I also applied some gel to those front little money pieces, so while I was dyeing the hair, the dye didn't actually affect those pieces that I wanted to be blonde. And last but not least, to deepen the color a little bit, I mixed Rit dye cherry red and dark brown just to get the desired color. Whew, did y'all keep up on that last one? Alright, so this one's gonna be slightly easier. So I tried to learn from my mistakes on the last one. So I mixed camel and cherry red together, and spoiler alert, it didn't come out quite like I thought. So because I already had the base to cancel out the green in the camel color, I just went in with a straight camel and dyed the hair to like a nice kind of golden blonde. And for the back part of her hair, I just mixed cherry red and the dark brown color. And then of course I wanted her to also have money pieces for some reason. So just as I did on the first one, I applied a heavy amount of gel to the sections that I wanted to stay blonde. And then I just dipped her in a couple times, hoping for the best. At night, so I could dream about you.
little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
Truth is, I just wanna
Okay, now for the styling part. So the vibe that I was going for with the blue eye variant, we have to come up with a name for her. What name do y'all want her to have? But I was going for a kind of like a Y2K aesthetic. I wanted to give her some crimps because her hair ended up being a little frizzy after all the, I guess, hot water I put on it. I had to ask my friends on Twitter what could it be the cause of that, because her hair ended up really poofy. It doesn't look like it in the video, but that's what happened. So anyways, I just created these 3 little ponytails with some wraparounds on there. Sorry, my camera died in the middle of that, so I didn't get to film that entire thing. But after I created the 3 little ponytails, I just went in with my crimping iron to give her some crimps, to give her a little bit of texture. I'm not mad that her hair ended up poofy because I think that the crimps turned out really pretty. So I want to know what MGA releases you guys are most excited about this season. I would definitely say mine was Bratz Series 3, which I've already gotten. Definitely expect some content coming up soon for that. I would say these color and create dolls were definitely high on the list. I didn't know that the little peel and play like na-na-nas were coming out, but they did come out and I picked up a few of those and I've been super enjoying them. I'm also excited about the so controversial Kylie x Brat collaboration. Honestly, I think that it's the perfect person for them to work with in my opinion, but we can talk about that in another video. And moving on to styling the curly haired variant, so I actually just did the exact same process that I believe I did in my Lola Wild video. It's no different, so I won't go over the process again. Definitely check out that video if you're interested to see how to style rainbow high dolls with curly nylon. Since we were talking about upcoming MGA releases a couple of minutes ago, I wanted to take some time to talk really quickly about upcoming Rainbow High and Shadow High releases. I'm honestly not sure how much I'll be picking up from the brand. I think that they're kind of shifting their focus a little bit, and honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about it just yet. One thing about me is that I'm known to change my mind about dolls when I see them in person, because there's only so many details that you can see from stock photos. But I don't know, I'm a little worried, I'm not gonna lie. Are you guys worried about the direction the brand is going in? I would love to know. Even though I picked up the Fantastic Fashion dolls, I thought it was an interesting to release at this time, especially because those dolls, like those designs, have been out for about 2 or 3 years now. So I want to know, how do you guys feel about the direction that Rainbow High / Shadow High is going in? right, friends, so that is all from my restyle of the new Color and Create dolls by Rainbow High. Let me know what you guys thought of these dolls in the comment section down below. Also, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, if you're hearing my voice right now, leave a rainbow emoji in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed hanging out with me, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps other people like you to see the video. And if you love living your inner doll hairstylist fantasy, that's what we do every single week on this channel. So feel free to join the family and hit the subscribe button down below. And last but not least, I would love to see you guys on my other platforms. I'm not just a YouTuber, I'm also an Instagrammer, a tweeter, and a TikToker. And they get to see some of these dolls way before they come to YouTube. So I'd love to see you there. It's Peace, Love, and Plastic on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I'll see you guys in the next video, whatever that is. Peace!
I was patient, 'cause you color me. Brand new. Looking in the mirror, I'm brand new. Everything's so different now. Pray I'm never coming down. Baby, you got me feeling